Hi, today I will show you the step on how to install LOGO Soft Comfort version 8.2. First, get the link provided from the document and paste it on your browser. Wait for it to load and see the download attachment for the software. Once completed, we can start our installation now. Choose your language and click OK. Click I accept the terms of the license agreement and proceed to next. Click next and start the installation. Click yes to install driver program for USB PC cable. It is not necessary for you to install the driver program for USB PC cable if you have done it before on your previous LOGO Soft Comfort. You have successfully installed the LOGO Soft Comfort version 8.2. Click about and see the version of the logo.